Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Getal and you are watching SN Education and Skill channel. Right now we discuss about the topic, and our topic right now discussing topic is believe in good luck and bad luck is an excuse for you. You know, we believe sometime we believe good luck and bad luck, this type of words and this type of thinking, these are just like superstition otherwise have no meaning, because good life good luck and bad luck are both are meaningless thinking. This one are just the belief of in superstition type. Okay, because your success is not because of your good luck, and your failure because is not of your bad luck. One thing you have to understand clearly, that your because of your luck you are not successful one, and because of your luck you are not a failure one, means because of your bad luck. You are failure one because of your quality. You do not have the quality that you need to have. So for this reason you are unsuccessful one, you are failure one. It is not that there is a bad luck in you. Bad luck is not present. You have to change yourself to get some success or to get a position in any field. There is no bad luck present. Okay, if you give your effort, truly 100% effort to your work, then uh, in the education field, in the as a professional, or as a job, means employee in employees, you can find your success only if you make yourself uh, a suitable person for the profession or job, for the task. You have to make yourself more knowledgeable in this task, and after that you can find success in that field. Success is not coming because of your good luck. Okay, and if you get some more supports or more profits from your or more achievement from your work, or from your you can say your task, you are achieving more. That is the benefits, means you are getting the, you can say, byproducts. Actually byproducts means some side products that we get. Okay, some byproducts. Suppose you are working for 5 years in a field, and after that you are getting some experience. It is as a byproducts, and you are now confident. So it is the byproducts of the task or activity. Okay, so after you are working 10 years in a field, you are getting an opportunity of means to do something, and for that you will be offered a huge amount of money. So that is not your good luck, that is because of your byproducts is very important. When you are working in your field, that time you will find some byproducts or the side products or the additional benefit. Okay, so these are because of the additional benefit of your performance, you can say, of your task completing skill, etc. Because you are working in some field, and after that you are earning this prize or earning these rewards. These are not because of the good luck. Okay, good luck is not present. Good luck has no meaning, it is just nothing. Okay, so this is the point to remember, that good luck and bad luck is just an excuse for us. Okay, like we give excuse that the a person Mr. X is X X is a lucky person, a lucky person. His luck is very good luck. He has a very good luck. Okay, so actually Mr. X is good luck. X is a lucky person. That is that is not that is not true that Mr. X is a lucky person. Mr. X has the quality, and because of the quality of working or quality of his personal quality, he is getting the success, he is getting the opportunity, not because of only good luck. Because of only good luck, Mr. X is not getting the opportunity to earn more or to get more reward. Okay, suppose in your office one employee is developing more than you, one of your colleague developing more than you, one of your colleague is making higher positions in the job, higher position in the job. Once your colleague is working at the same position where you are working now, but your colleague is getting or achieving a more higher position from the position initially you both were started. From your both starting position, your colleague is getting more better position in the job world, and getting more salary, more benefits from the jobs or from the company or from the organization where you both are doing job, or you both are employed. Then you can think about that this development of the position of your friend X or your colleague X, due to his cunningness, due to his good luck, etc. You can think due to his good luck you have bad luck, and for this reason you cannot you cannot get a higher position in the job world. You are in the organization, and you are in the lower position compared to your colleague. So this type of thinking is very common for you, because you know your colleague is developing his position with time, but you cannot develop, you cannot develop your position with time, but your colleague is developing his or her position continually. So in this time you will find to believe in yourself that you have some bad luck, and your colleague has some good lucks, and for this reason he is developing more than you, he is earning more than you, and he is getting more reward than you. I actually, this is a wrong one, this is a wrong belief system. So I am trying to discuss about this topic, that there is nothing about the good luck and bad luck. Everything is about your work and the result of your work. So everything is the result of your work, result of your performance. So, and if you find something additional success with it, then it is known as the byproducts, it is known, not called the good luck of it. And if you fail in any work or any if you give poor performance in any field, or if you failed in any situation, that does not indicate that it is because of your bad luck. Okay, so this is the discussions about the good luck and bad luck. These two are very common thing. Some people think about it, that good luck and bad lucks are the reason for their development and for their failureness. So that is the point that I wanted to make clear about. And I think you like these discussions, and if you find this discussion is means more interesting to you, or interesting, you are interested in this type of discussion, then you can like this discussion and you can subscribe this channel, and you can see this type of this type of educational videos from the playlist that I made in this channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.